In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose the right Smartsheet plan for individual use. The first thing you want to do is open the Smartsheet pricing page. This is the best place to start because it gives you the most current information about available plans, pricing, and included features. Since software plans can change over time, checking the official pricing page helps you make a decision based on the latest details rather than outdated comparisons or older tutorials. Once you're there, look for the lowest plan available for individual users. Your goal here is to identify the most affordable option designed for one person rather than a larger team. Take a moment to make sure you're looking at the correct category because some plans may be aimed more at businesses or collaborative departments instead of solo users. After that, review what features are included in that individual plan. This part is important because the lowest price is only useful if it actually covers what you need. Pay attention to things like sheet limits, automation features, reporting tools, dashboards, integrations, and any restrictions that may affect how you plan to use the platform. If your work is simple and focused on personal organization, the individual plan may be enough. But if your workflow depends on more advanced tools, this is where you'll notice those differences. Next, compare the individual cost with the team plans. Even if you only plan to use Smartsheet on your own right now, it's smart to see what extra value the higher tier plans offer. Sometimes the price difference is small enough that the added collaboration tools, admin controls, or expanded features may be worth considering. The point of this comparison is not to overspend, but to understand what you would gain for the extra cost. Then decide whether you only need personal tracking or if you also need team collaboration. This is really the key decision. If you're managing your own tasks, timelines, or project checklists, an individual option may fit perfectly. But if you need to share work regularly, assign tasks to others, collect updates from teammates, or collaborate across multiple people, a team plan may be more appropriate. Before you pay for anything, try the free trial. This gives you a chance to test the interface, explore the features, and see whether the plan actually matches your workflow in real use. It's one of the easiest ways to avoid paying for something that feels too limited or too advanced. Finally, choose the individual option only if it truly fits the way you work. The best plan is not just the cheapest one, but the one that supports your workflow without unnecessary extras or missing essentials.